Assalamualaikum. My name is Shasha. I'm mostly. I am the representative of Group 9, which is Shopee Pay Later. So, what are we going through today is Annuity, of course, of Shopee Pay Later. So, we are going through chapter 1, which is include Annuity, briefly about the company background, briefly about the company program description, and also objective of study. Moving on to chapter 2, which is the problem description, the data, and chapter 3, the calculation, the schedule, and also lastly, the conclusion. So these are my group member, Nur Natasha, Siti Shamilia, and Nur Rauda. So let's start discovering this topic in detail for each chapter. Are you ready? Have fun!
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Shamilia. So now I'm going to cover the introduction for our project. So the first point is about describe annuity. So annuity is a financial product that is sold by insurance companies and designed to provide regular payments to the holder over a specified period of times. So the next point is about company background. So the company that we choose for our project, it was Shopee. Shopee was first launched in Singapore in 2015 under the parent company C. However, Shopee is an e-commerce platform that can be used globally for shopping purpose and strive to connect buyers and sellers within one community defined by 3 key attributes such as happy, together, and simple. So the success of Shopee based on the result of their Prepare Work module and their strategic plan for Shopee expansion in Southeast Asia, and now Shopee has become the most popular and make people comfortable when use it. The next point is about the company program description. So Shopee Pay is a Shopee's digital payment platform offering user a convenient, secure, and seamless way to make transaction within the Shopee ecosystem. And it serves as a digital wallet, allowing users to store funds and make purchases on the Shopee platform, as well as for other services like bill payments and peer-to-peer transfer. Shopee Pay often provides promotion and discount to users, incentivizing its use for transaction. And it's tightly integrated with the Shopee e-commerce platform, and it's expanding its services to include offline payments at various merchants. And the last one, security is a priority with measures like encryption and fraud detection in place. Additionally, Shopee Pay forms partnerships with banks and other companies to enhance its services and reach more users. Okay, so the last point is about objectives of study. So the first one is to explore annuity application in real life. So what it is, this kind of objective suggests delving into real-world scenarios where annuities are commonly used. However, this could involve examining various types of annuities such as fixed, variable, index, and their application in retirement, planning, insurance, and other financial contexts. And the next one, to apply annuity formula for the chosen problems. So this kind of formula for the chosen problem is to use the appropriate formula to solve a specific problems. So it's depending on the nature of the problems using formulas such as the present value of an annuity, future value, and the annuity payment formula. And the last one is to calculate amortization schedule of the problems. So this kind of schedule of the problems is for an annuity. This objective involves creating an amortization schedule and outlines the repayment of loan and mortgage over time. However, this could involve breaking down periodic payments into principal and interest components, and it will show how each payment contributes to paying off the total amount.
So hi, my name is Nisha and I'm going to describe about the descriptions. So Nisha is interested in purchasing a range cooker price at 31,075 ringgit. She plans to pay for the cooker using installment plan with Shopee Pay Later, spread over a period of 1 year with a down payment of 305,570 cents, which includes 1.5% service charge. Nisha's remaining balance amount to Rm 28,090.30, utilizing an annual interest rate of 1.5% compound monthly. Nisha seeks to determine the monthly payment through the annuity formula. Nisha missed her payment for 3 months and got a penalty fee for Rm 10 ringgit. Nisha also pays for 4 months earlier before the loan payments. So I'm just collect the data, and I just got S equals to 31,075 ringgit, R equals to RMX, T equals to 1 year, K equals to 1.5% equals to 0.015, M equals to 12, I equals to 0.015 over 12, N equals to 12 times 1 equals to 12. And for the down payment equals to 2589.58 cents plus 31,075 ringgit times 1.5% equals to 3055.70 cents. Last but not least, we have credit purchase equal to 31,075 ringgit.
Hi, so I'm going to continue the presentation, and I'm going to cover chapter 3, which is 3.1 and 3.2, the calculation and also the schedule. So we'll start with the calculation 3.1. Here's all of the component of annuity. S is the total of loan charge. So S is 31,075 ringgit. R is unknown. T, the duration is 1 year. K is 1.5%, which is equal to 0.015. M is 12. I is equals to 0.015 over 12. N is 12. And the down payment is 2,589 ringgit 58 cents plus with 31,075 ringgit multiplied by 1.5% and equals to 3,055 ringgit 70 cents, or I would say the down payment. And the cash price is 31,075 ringgit. So let's continue with the first question, which is find the amount of periodic payment. Periodic payment is the R. So to find the R, you need to find the A first. So to find the A, we use the formula of A equals to CP minus DP, which is CP stands for cash price minus with DP stands for down payment. So 31,075 ringgit minus 3,055 ringgit 0.70 cents equals to 28,019 ringgit 30 cents. So here is the formula for finding the R. A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close the bracket root of negative n over I. So just substitute all of the amount in the formula and you will get 28,019 ringgit 30 cents equals to R in bracket 11.90306609. So if you calculate it, you will get R equals to RM 2,353.96 cents. So let's move on to the second question, which is the amount of interest charge. So to find the amount of interest charge, we will use the formula of I equals to R in bracket N or times by N minus A. So 2,353.96 cents times by 12 minus 28,019 ringgit 30 cents. So you will get the amount of I is 228 ringgit 22 cents. So for the third question, what if Nisha missed her payment for 2 times, or Nisha makes 2 payments of a loan? So we will use S unpaid if N unpaid equals to 3. So here's the formula. S N equals to R in bracket again 1 plus I close the bracket root of N minus 1 and close the bracket again over I. So again, just substitute all of the amounts into this formula as shown. So if you already substitute the formula and the components given, you'll get the answer for S3 is 7,070 ringgit and 71 cents. But in this case, in our case, we need to add 10 ringgit as the penalty fee for the late payment. So the total to be paid on third month will be 7,080 ringgit 71 cents. So the last question is question 4, which is Nisha paid her loan earlier than the exact date, which is we choose to pay 4 months before the exact loan date. So we use N unpaid equals to N total minus N paid. So N unpaid equals to N12 minus N8 equals to 4. So here again, the formula A, N equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I root of negative N over I. So again, just substitute the amount and the components that given in the formula. So you get A4 equals to 2,353.96 cents times by 1 minus 1 plus 0.015 over 12 root of negative 4 over 0.015 over 12. So as a final answer, Nisha need to pay 9,386 ringgit 49 cents if she wants to pay earlier 4 months earlier. So let's move on to 3.2, which is amortization schedule. So amortization refers to the process of paying off a debt from the loan that we made. So we just substitute the amount of our loan, which is 28,090 ringgit 30 cents, the interest rate 0.015, the compound, which is 12 months, the year is 1. So after we substitute all of the amount, it came out as this schedule as shown in slide. So this is the schedule that we use to make sure that we pay our debts on time.
For the conclusion is, the study effectively investigation the use of knowledge in a real-world situation, like employing the Shopee Pay Later payment plan for the purchase of ranking cookies. This study made a goal for offering information about financial statement of employing for the purpose through analyzing